both EU, both the United Nations, all of them prefer not. More than the East, more than Biafrans. This is hatred to the core. All of them are playing hypocrites. Although they say Ipob is not a terrorist, then what are you doing for how many years now? What are you doing since 2017? What is you doing? Now look at Finland. Look at how Finland are trying to play their own game now. This is why Nkrumah said the only white man that he can trust is the one in the grave, not the one that is living, because they can change at any time. The late Dr. Kwame Nkrumah of Ghana, he said it. The only white man that he will trust is the one that is in grave. But as long as that one is alive, he can change anytime. Look at the game they are playing. Peter B is jumping up and down. You'll be Nigerian president. No Igbo man will be Nigerian president. This will come to an end. Anyone that enter there with this their character will end up like Ironsi. 6 months I give that one. I'm not going to do it, but the course will follow them. Allow the people to be killed because they want to be president. They want to be all in Nigeria. Where they cannot get it. That's all they want to be, they cannot get it. The whole world reject it. The whole world did not accept it. It's only in Nigeria. Eshebai, the whole world recognize them as terrorists. Al-Qaeda, the whole world recognize them as terrorists. ISIS, the whole world recognize them as terrorists. Boko Haram, the whole world recognize them as terrorists. It's only in Nigeria that all the whole group, that the whole world recognize as a terrorist. It's only in Nigeria that Nigeria never called them terrorists. Only in Nigeria that they are not terrorists. This man, Tunji Bello, is a terrorist. Nigeria never declared him terrorist. Now,
but they declared him wanted in the time past. They said they killed his boss. I think two months ago, and they said they are ready to. This time they are ready to get hold of him, and when they get hold of him,
they did not kill anybody. Okay, okay. How do they pursue him? Where do they hunt him to? Now it's only Ipob that the whole world, they say what they're doing is right. They have right to agitate. Which Nigeria said no. According to Nigerian law, according to international law, they have right to agitate or to protest. Do you see them gun in hand? Do you see them cutlass in their hand? Even stick do they hold, apart from that flag? Do they block any roads? Do they block any roads? Is it not on the roadside they are walking? The Nigerian army opened fire on them. Conducted operation of patterns dance. Conducted crocodile smile. So the crocodile to be crying, crocodile is smiling. A woman being are dying, crying. Patton is dancing, a woman being is dying. Ipob are dying. Once somebody is dancing, is it not a thing of joy? Is it not a thing of happiness? Then why should crocodile, python dancing, then human beings are dying. People in South are dying. The Biafrans are dying. When it's supposed to be a thing of joy, dancing. Crocodile is smiling. When somebody is smiling, is it not feeling happy? Then why one crocodile is smiling? The Easterners are dying. Is it normal thing? When they do not kill anybody, Ipob, did they start killing people before Nigerian army go against them? They are talking only with mouth. They are talking only with mouth. When they pursue Son Igbo before he ran to the Republic, how many robots did Nigerian army come and wipe off? How many communities did Nigerian army come and wipe off? Forget about the one that Boko Haram and others are doing. But Nigerian army in uniform, with their guns and the ammunition, how many communities have they wiped off in Yoruba land? It's only Ipob terrorists. Finland and the EU know that, they know the law. They know that Ipob is not terrorist. If Nigerian government know that Ipob is terrorist, I think somebody can sue them to AU. What do they do? And Nigerian court verify Ipob that not terrorist, not terrorist. What is Nigerian government doing? Now, why won't EU and Finland tell them that Ipob is not terrorist? Someone Ekpa is not terrorist. They know the truth. They know the truth. Nigeria government is just have become outlaw in Babylon. They can do undo and go away with it. And who are causing the major problem? United Nations. The United Nations are the major problem in this case. You give Nigeria ultimatum to release nnamdikanu. That is what to pass now. More than a year now. You did not do anything. No reaction. You fold your hand, declaring Putin wanted. But the people that are supposed to declare wanted, now, United Nations, International Court of Justice, did not declare them wanted. International Criminal Court did not declare them wanted. People are dying. People are accused of Odema. People are accused of Odema. Nigerian senators will come on TV, making boasts, laughing themselves, mocking themselves, thinking that it will be well with them. If we are wiped off, if somebody can nnamdikanu die, it will be well with them. Let them look at how they treat Zeke. Let them look at how they treat Zeke. Do Zeke have anything in Nigeria? What is the members of Zeke in Nigeria? They went to their place and developed their place, build the airport, call it Dr. Nnamdi Azikiwe Airport, Abuja. Why they not call it Dr. Nnamdi Azikiwe Airport, Anambra? What federal government don't build in Anambra, call it Dr. Nnamdi Azikiwe Airport in Anambra? They develop their place and put your name. You are happy. They have immortalized you. They have immortalized you. Look at their senses. So I feel that the EU and the Finland do the right thing by telling them that these people are not terrorists. Although it's verbal, it's lip service. If EU know that really IPOB are not terrorists, let them take action to defend IPOB. Let them take action to do what? To release nnamdikanu and let Biafra go. Look at the game international community are playing. Look at the Cho Ayoba of Amazonia, because they feel they will get oil in Amazonia, and they feel that if it's in the hand of the owners, they will control it well. They support Cameroon and Norway detain Cho Ayoba. But all the whole killing, Cameroon soldiers are killing Amazonians. Norway government do not see it. Europeans did not see it. United Nations did not see it. Because they want oil and gas. This is what happened in Nigeria. What the EU that said they're not terrorists, what are they doing? They need oil and gas. And they know that if it's in the hand of Nigeria, it will never be a looting. It will go normal process. They said, therefore, did not say we will not supply you, but let it be a normal process. Not that we come and the people will thief in the oil, giving you for free. The problem of Amazonia and the Biafras are oil and gas. If oil and gas is not in this area, they could have been a free people. Nobody could have been killing them. Had they been is not, or the West, have this oil and gas in abundance, they could have gone. They could have gone. Because both EU, both the United Nations, all of them prefer not. More than the East. More than Biafrans. This is hatred to the core. All of them are playing hypocrites. Although they say IPOB is not a terrorist, then what are you doing for how many years now? What are you doing? Since 2017. What is EU doing? Now look at Finland. Look at how Finland are trying to play their own game now. This is why Nkrumah said the only white man that he can trust is the one in the grave, not the one that is living, because they can change at any time. The late Dr. Kwame Nkrumah of Ghana, he said it. The only white man that he will trust is the one that is in grave. But as long as that one is alive, he can change anytime. Look at the game they are playing. I could remember in Biafran War, Italian company, I think Agip, came to Warri to steal oil. It was that during the civil Biafran war that oil in Warri was found. Biafran government under Ojukwu went there and stopped them. On the process, between them and Nigerian army, some white men got injured or killed, either one or two. Do you know that European Union take it upon their head? Why do you kill? Why do you do this? You kill us. But they forget that Britain, Russia, the Soviet Union, even Italy are pumping arms to Nigeria, killing millions of Biafrans. That one, they are not human beings, but only one or two white men, they flame up because those ones are more important. Blacks are useless. If you, I'm happy. I'm happy. I'm more happy if they said that Ipob is not a terrorist, someone Ekpa is not a terrorist, then let them take a step. Let them make a move to stop the killing that they're killing them. Let them make a move to rescue them. I don't see why Fulani people will be killing. Boko Haram will be killing. Tochibela will be killing. Nyanti Allah will stand with them. Shekugumi will stand with them. They are not terrorists. But if Igbo man, if Biafra do and spit it out, they say, it's atomic bomb. You have released atomic bomb from his mouth. Kill him, they will kill him. Then our senators, our reps, Igbo politicians, Igbo traditional rulers, they come and they clap the killer of your children. The killer of your children, they come and clap for them. Praising them. Then try to kill one cow and see how they will react. Only one cow. Kill only one cow and see how they will react. Ordinary cow. Kill and see how they will react. Human being will farm finish. They carry cow or cattle or the animal, go put in the farmland for them to feed. And human being will die starvation. I'm telling you honestly, the way I see things, it seems that the whole world want to join hands together to wipe up Igbo race. The way they're using Northerners and the West against us, it seems that there's an international conspiracy against this set of people called Biafrans or called Igbos. Philip Emagwa, they'll be happy. They're praising them abroad. And the people are dying. You have people like that. You have people like that. They will, all of them will keep on the food. They will not talk. They will not talk so that they will be good man and their family. But remember, only one neighbor. They should remember that only one neighbor.
You feel they are not speaking out because
they're not speaking out. They're not doing anything.
Because their family don't reside here in the southeast, or do you think that?
No, they feel that they Nigeria to praise them, to call them better people, to call them good people. That's what they feel. They feel less concerned as far as they are having their token, collecting money. That's the only thing. If the whole Igbos, common Igbo people die, those people that call themselves Igbo elite, Igbo landed people, Igbo governors, Igbo politicians, better army officers, generals, then they think that Fulani will spare them. They think that Yorubas will spare them. When they kill the people that will stand for you and fight, then they will face you. Uzo might feel that when he do finish, he can go to any part of the world and reside. They still look at him as a hypocrite. That country will go and reside, will be monitoring you, because if you can cause havoc to your people and they wipe off, you can do it to them. They will keep on close eye monitoring you, know your movement in and out. Do you think that they are fools? They want to use it to destroy your people so that their oil and gas, they will collect it for free. They will collect it for free. Not to saying that IPOB is not a terrorist group in India. Not to say that someone is my citizen in India. Do something to prove good. People are dying. People are dying. People are perishing. When Nigerian government commit atrocities, good thing. But when Biafra try to defend themselves, they become terrorists. They become bad people. But to kill them, nobody will talk. When they defend themselves, it becomes an evil. Whosoever right, whosoever like, let them write any petition they like. Is Igbo elite, Igbo leaders are giving them that right to do it. When Yorubas came out and stand for Sunday Igbohu, do you hear the case again? They are saying because in brother Tinubu is in power. Not because of in brother Tinubu is power. Everything have already quenched in terms of Buhari. Because Yorubas can understand. If you do, we will rebel. If you do, we will not agree. Look at when Tinubu want to contest. Tinubu tell them that if you not allow me to contest, I will divide. My people will go. Do not succumb. The Peter B jumping up and down. You will be Nigerian president. Non-Igbo man will be Nigerian president. This world come to an end. Anybody that enter there with this their character will end up like Ironsi. 6 months I give that one. I'm not going to do it, but the course will follow them. Allow the people to be killed because they want to be president. They want to be all in Nigeria. Where they cannot get it. That's all they want to be, they cannot get it. Because the North and the West will never allow them. They have come together to fight against you. They're just feeling yourself one Nigeria. Even leaders are just feeling themselves one Nigeria. Thank you. Let them continue.
Hear me and hear me clearly. You cannot assassinate Simon Ekpa. You cannot even lay finger. You cannot do what? Lay finger. I repeat, you dare not lay finger on him. I thank God Finland is not Nigeria. Finland is not Nigeria. Neither Finland is Kenya that have not seen money. That Nigeria gave them money. They kidnapped our brother, Musa nnamdikanu, our leader, that have been in their custody for no just cause. It's good and fine. Simon Ekpa in Nigeria, every corner in Nigeria, in bedroom Nigeria, in the toilet, in their kitchen, everything is all about Simon Ekpa. Is this Simon Ekpa is the Nigerian problem? Listen and listen good. Now, assassinate Simon Ekpa on December 2nd. Whether you succeed to assassinate him as a terrorist or not, Biafra continues. Agitation continues. When you people kidnap Musa nnamdikanu, did you stop Biafra? Did the agitation stop? No. The agitation did not stop. But there is another thing message to you, Mr. Musa, the chief captain. Hear this and hear it clearly. You will not succeed. You will not do what? Succeed, and you can never succeed. You people have been trying it. You people have been planning it. You people have been doing all manner of things to assassinate that young man, to stop that young man, to finish that young man. But because the Lord is on his side, that is why you people have not succeeded up to now, and you will not even succeed. Come December 2nd, I'm talking of on Monday, because Monday is December 2nd, and that is the main day, the original day. Look at how God showed me Simon Ekpa in the realm of the spirit. This is how Simon Ekpa stands. His front like this, back like this. All Nigerians, because I saw people surround him and they were under him. That is Nigerian military. They were under Simon Ekpa control. Tinubu is under Simon Ekpa control. Excuse me. He's in France
and his wife.
He's in France for a mission. He's in France for a mission, for a purpose. Are you getting it? Listen to me. Heart, your heart is a bag. Only you know what is inside. Are you getting it? But I want to assure Nigerians, vote Musa, Buba, whatsoever is their name, Tinubu, Shetima, and Akpabio, maybe Benjamin Kau and the rest, go to Pitamba, and the Imo State Governor, call Hope Uzodiojo, let them come together. Yoruba language, you say, oh, Ekpa, una no plenty rich. Una never do what? Plenty rich. Because una no fit do anything. December 2nd is the D-Day. It's the major day we are waiting to celebrate, to rejoice with. Because it is been assigned from Jehovah. Approved divinely. Hear me and hear me clearly. You cannot assassinate Simon Ekpa. You cannot even lay finger. You cannot do what? Lay finger. I repeat, you don't know. Lay finger on him. I thank God Finland is not Nigeria. Finland is not Nigeria. Neither Finland is Kenya that have not seen money. That Nigeria gave them money. They kidnap our brother, Musa nnamdikanu, our leader, that have been in their custody for no just cause. The man did not offend anybody, but Nigeria kept him in DSS. Nigeria, you will pay. Nigeria, you will pay. You will never scot free. And now you have moved out of Musa nnamdikanu because you believe by kidnapping him will end the agitation. Now you have seen it that instead of ending it, you now fuel it more. After the fueling it, another one is gas. That gas is the one you have taken after Simon Ekpa. Simon Ekpa is never a problem of Nigeria. Simon Ekpa is never a man behind the killing and the mass massacre that is going on in the north. In Kaduna, go and see what is going on in Kaduna. In Zamfara, go and see what is going on in Zamfara. In Borno State, go and see what is going on. Currently now, Sokoto is not safe. Sokoto has been captured by the terrorists. In Niger State has been captured by the terrorists. Is this Simon Ekpa? But Tinubu left all these things. Akpabio left all these people. Shetima left all these people. Peter Mba left all these people. Hope Uzodiojo left all these people. Then you are pursuing Simon Ekpa. Ochunwa okuko nwada. Nwa okuko ngwengwo ọsọ. That is how Nigeria will be falling. They will continue to fall. Every of their plans, every of their evil activities against Simon Ekpa, that is how they will keep on falling. While Simon Ekpa will keep on rising. Because those that speak the truth will make them free. Free from evil, plan and plot against them. That is the word of God. And nothing will happen to Simon Ekpa and Musa nnamdikanu.
Okay, but we've seen people on social media say why is one of the reason why they want to stop him or kill him is because of it's just like Trump, people that speak the truth, the government, they don't really they don't want those type of people that come out to fight for the right for their people, and at the same time people that come out to speak their mind and speak the truth. And do you think that this is one of the reasons why they want to stop him at all costs, and because they know that December 2 is sacrosanct?
Yes, if you speak the truth, the world we are in now, I am seeing it as the world of darkness. Darkness never comply with the light. Look at Donald Trump, a man of integrity, a man of principle, a man of policy, a man of truth, a man of straightforward, open man and open-hearted person. Look at the way they plan to assassinate him during the campaign. But because the hand of God was upon him, they could not succeed. And that is how Nigeria will not succeed over Simon Ekpa. Are you getting it? People that speak the truth. See, let me tell you, in this country, this is your country called Nigeria, because I'm a Biafran. This is your country called Nigeria. For Nigeria to better, I have said this many years ago, that Nigeria no go better. I said it, they said, evangelist, why are you saying this? I said that is the truth. Nigeria no go better. They thought maybe I'm just like, why is he here? Say, Bible say we should pray for Jerusalem. I said, when Bible said we should pray for Jerusalem, this Jerusalem was having problem. Jerusalem was pulled down. That is why God raised Nehemiah to rebuild Jerusalem. But Nigeria did not have problem. God has blessed Nigeria. But the problem of Nigeria are the Nigerians, people in position, the leaders. They are the problem of this country. Are you getting it? And those of them that are there, they hate truth. They don't want anything truth to come near that position, so that they will keep on, continue practicing their evil. They will continue reigning with their darkness that never allow them, and we never allow them to see truth. Because when truth to speak, the light will shine. When the light shine, darkness will give away. And when darkness give away, things will be in place. Even in the Bible, go and read the book of Genesis chapter 1. The Bible says, when the Lord say, let there be heaven and the earth. After creating the heaven, after creating the earth, the next thing the Bible says that the earth was full of with darkness, filled and void, and the Spirit of God was wavering. And the Lord said, let there be light. That is in verse 3. He said, let there be light. It was after the appearing of the light that the Lord saw. The Bible says, and the Lord saw that everything that he was doing is what is good. That means without the appearing of the light, God will not know that what he was doing was good. So those that love truth, if you keep on pursuing them, if you keep on chasing them out of the position, that country can never do well. So you, Musa, and your group, Tinubu and co, that intend to assassinate our brother, our prime minister, you will not succeed, though, because Biafra believe in the light. Biafra what? We believe in the light because we love light and we are the light of the people, light of the world, light of the Africa. Because we want to bring the light that have not been shining in Africa, we want it to shine in Africa. Africa has depended so much in Europeans, and Europeans have, they don't chop us raw, they don't chop us mugu too much. It is time for us to come out of the mugumuti of the Europeans. That we are falling to Europeans. It is time for us to come out of it and stand with all the blessings that the Lord has blessed Africa with. We want to open Africans' eyes. We want to bring the leaders, let them know what they need to do. Not everything will depend on Europeans. We can do it on our own because God has blessed Africa. So we, the Biafrans, we are the light of Africa and the eyes of the world. God bless you.
So there's also a report that a rude boy of P Square, with his band, they are there in Finland, wanted to perform for December 2nd celebration.
Wow, that's wonderful. That is it. That is it. That is it. That is the spirit of Biafra. The spirit of Biafra. You understand? Abia were oche were ọnọdụ. Wee wepụta ngozi ihe Chineke tinyere ha n'ime. Ị na-aghọta n'edoghị anya. Ha wepụta ihe ahụ Chineke tinyere ha n'ime na-adịghị n'ebe ọzọ. Ọ ihe mere ji. That is why they were invited. Let them come and bring out the seed, the hidden seed that is inside of them. Let them come and bring it out on that day. I thank God they are well-known Nigerian musicians. And when they come back to Nigeria, they will tell other musicians how it goes. That no be shere shere, no be shere cambia, no be things of the children. It is the things of the adult. Yeah, are you getting it? We are not playing. Are you getting it? We are not playing. It's not a child's play. We are serious in the game. We are serious on what we are doing. Nigeria believe that they know how to play politics. They don't know that politics began in Biafra. You know, British have been the one being selfish and they've been the one that they have been, copying everything from Nigeria. But from after this now, the British will cripple them. We will cripple the British. Let the British go and look for work, go and look for something to do. They are too lazy and they are too crafty. They are not straightforward people. Everything connect. You the chop where you know they work.